Today we are going to discuss organic chemistry. I will start with the first 12th standard organic chemistry. We are discussing only NCERT notes. Only NCERT notes. We are not going beyond NCERT. So first organic chemistry, I am going to deal with the nitrogenous compounds. Secondary topic on nitrogenous compounds are very important. For NCERT syllabus, you have only amines and diazonium salts, but you have no cyanase and isocyanase. Only our NCERT topic is amines and diazonium salts. But NCERT cyanase, isocyanase are not given. So these are nitrogen compounds. So one by one we can discuss what are amines. Acha, amines, diazonium salts are only there in our syllabus. Alkyl, cyanide, isocyanase are not given in our NCERT syllabus. So first two topics are only we are going to discuss in this chapter. Now, so amines are nothing but derivatives of ammonia only. Like for example, in ammonia, instead of one hydrogen replaced by alkyl group, this is primary amine. This is a primary amine. Instead of two hydrogen, two alkyl groups are replaced. NHR2, this is secondary amine. Derivatives of ammonia is nothing but amines. Instead of three hydrogen, NR3, this is nothing but tertiary amines. So amines are classified into three: primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Simply, amines are derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacement of 1, 2, or 3 hydrogen atoms by alkyl groups or allyl groups. This is nothing but this is tertiary amine. Example is given tertiary amine. So primary amine is RNH2, secondary amine R2NH, tertiary amine is NR3, R3NO. These are called tertiary amine. Right? Chalo. As in all amines undergoes sp3 hybridization. Geometry is a pyramidal law. Just like ammonia also there is no exception in ammonia. Like ammonia also, NH3 also, type of hybridization is nothing but sp3, and which containing one lone pair of electron, and geometry different from shape only. Shape is a pyramidal, geometry tetrahedral only. So just like ammonia, here also amines also same geometry, same shape and shape hybridization only. So pyramidal shape only. Like each of three sp3 hybrid orbitals are ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Because previous video only we discussed the basic nature of amines. In basic nature of amines, nitrogen containing lone pair of electron. According to Lewis, it is a base only because tendency to net a pair of electron only. So ammonia, any ammonia, it is NH3 shall I write like NH3 over here, which containing one lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron को क्या वो बोलते हैं? Unshaded pair of electrons है. Unshaded pair of electrons है. Like I take a primary amine also same manner. There is no exception. Whether primary amine also having lone pair of electrons, secondary amine also having lone pair of electron, tertiary amine also having lone pair of electrons. This is called unshaded pair of electron. That's why pyramidal geometry. Molecule of the type कैसा होता है? AB3L type है. Molecule of the type AB3L type is a pyramidal geometry only. If AB4 type is a tetrahedral geometry, if AB4 type is tetrahedral geometry, this is a pyramidal geometry, right? Chalo, next. So very simple hybridization. Chemical bonding also we discussed this hybridization. अच्छा देखो hybridization है, here pyramidal geometry है, because here देखो these are lone pairs हैं. These are lone pairs हैं. Of course, hybridization sp3 hybridization है. This is also sp3. This is also sp3. This is also sp3. One sp3 is having lone pair. Remaining three are bond pairs. If all are bond pair, tetrahedral geometry. But because of presence of lone pair, it is a pyramidal geometry only. देखो this is pyramidal geometry. This is pyramidal geometry. One lone unshaped pair of electron. Lone pair of electron is called unshaped pair of electrons. Right? This is a not only tertiary amine, ammonia also same geometry. Bond angle is 108, but in ammonia is 107 degrees. Less than tetrahedral bond angle. Tetrahedral bond angle कितना है? If sp hybridization, tetrahedral bond angle is tetrahedral bond angle is 109 degrees 20 minutes. Less than tetrahedral bond angle because of lone pair bond pair equations. अच्छा, amines are derived of derivatives of what? Primary, secondary, tertiary, and whatever may be derivatives of what? Ammonia one. Derivatives of ammonia. Very simple question. Amines are derivatives of ammonia. In amines, nitrogen atom undergoes what type of hybridization? sp3, because all are sigma bonds. All are sigma bond one lone pair. If all are sigma bond one lone pair, is example for sp hybridization. If one pi bond is there, sp2. Two pi bonds are there, sp hybridization. There is no ambiguity or exception over here. Direct question है, all are sigma bonds are one lone pair है. Type of hybridization sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. चलो. Next. Number of lone pairs not only in ammonia, primary, secondary, tertiary amine, all amines. Because previous class we discussed about basic nature of amines. There also, what is the Lewis base? Tendency can donate a pair of electron. Nitrogen compounds are nothing but bases, Lewis base only, because it containing one lone pair of electron. It containing one lone pair of electron. ऐसा. अच्छा, R NH2, nitrogen containing one lone pair. So it has more tendency to donate a pair of electrons. That's why it is a Lewis base only. So number of lone pairs is 1. In case of water molecule, oxygen make 2 1. Whenever nitrogen organic compound, nitrogen having only one lone pair. Next, classification and nomenclature. Classification and nomenclature. Generally, primary amine. Primary amine is RNH2. Secondary amine is R2NH. Tertiary amine is R3N. Unlike primary alcohol, secondary alcohol. You know, primary alcohol also OH group, secondary alcohol also OH group, tertiary alcohol also OH group. But primary amine is NH2, RNH2. देखो ये difference आप observe करो, ये difference. Primary amine में RNH2, secondary में R2NH, R3NH. But primary alkyl halide avachchu, alcohol avachchu, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. There is no change in function group, sir. But the only function group change అయ్యేది ఒక amines లో మాత్రమే. Primary amine RNH2, secondary amine R2NH, tertiary amine R3N. अच्छा देखो, in IUPAC system, yes I am in IUPAC system, I will tell you what is IUPAC name. Generally IUPAC names of amines, names of primary amines. IUPAC name primary amines. We know alkanamines. Alkanamines. अच्छा क्या alkanamines कैसा? Root word is alk. Means saturated compound is ane. It is a root word. Primary suffix, secondary suffix is amine. अच्छा, whenever vowel sound is eliminated, is omitted. That's why you can omit e. Then it becomes alkanamine. Alkanamine. General IUPAC name of amines, primary amines are alkanamine. Alk plus en plus amine. Alk plus en plus amine. Nothing but alkanamines only. So best example is CH3NH2. A primary amine. Primary amine. How many carbons are there? One carbon. Mith. One carbon. Mith. Alk means mith. अच्छा, saturated compound ये ना. अच्छा, amine is amine I can write. That means alkanamine means one carbon containing alkanamine, methanamine, two carbon containing alkanamine, ethanamine, three carbon is propanamine, four carbon is butanamine. Very simple funda. Suppose I could go for one more example. One more example. Actually, some students have doubt. This is also primary. This is not secondary. This is different from other function groups. This is also primary because NH2, wherever NH2 group present, there is primary amine. So primary amine, I can go for a numbering. Numbering means function group should be least number hona chahiye. If function group not containing any carbon, the function group should be having least number hone chahiye. So I can write 1, 2, 3. Acha, root word alk means prop. Root word alk means prop. All are single bond en, pro plus en, propane. Pro plus en, propane. And amine, where amine is present? Second carbon में amine present. So prop en, 2 amine. 2 amine. Propane 2 amine. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Propane 2 amine. Means function group, wherever function group containing any carbon atom. So numbering should be least number hona chahiye. If function group is containing carbon, that should be a number 1 position. Starting from the function group, you have to give the numbering only. So here amines hai, OH hai, like questions hai. There is no carbon in the function groups. That's why function should have least number only. You have to arrange the numbering. Function should have least number so that you can write the IUPAC name. Primary amines के लिए simple IUPAC name alkanamide. Primary amines के लिए simple IUPAC name alkanamide. Note करो. Secondary amines के लिए IUPAC name. Is a primary amines के लिए IUPAC name. Then I go for secondary amines के लिए IUPAC name. Secondary amines के लिए IUPAC name. Secondary amines means R2NH. At the general IUPAC name for this N-alkyl alkanamide. N-alkyl alkanamide. N-alkyl alkanamide. अच्छा N-alkyl alkanamide how we will write? N-alkyl alkanamide. एक example आपके लिए CH3 NH CH3. अच्छा, in that one compound is a parent compound. One compound is a parent compound. चलो मैं एक parent compound बना रहा है, A parent compound मेरा. Means longest carbon atom chain is called parent compound. Both carbons are same only. That's why I can select the longest. Any one is longest chain only. अच्छा, one carbon amine is. For example, I am writing like this. Previous example only. This is methanamine. Meth plus en plus amine. Methanamine. Or methanamine. Ela rasta meth plus en plus amine. Methanamine. In methanamine, one of the hydrogen atom replaced by one methyl group. Actually, very simple. In methanamine, what we did? Instead of one hydrogen, I replaced one more methyl group. Where nth position? That's why N-alkyl, N-methyl methanamine. So IUPAC name of this compound is N-methyl. अच्छा, this is parent compound in methanamine. Methanamine lo nth position lo methyl group replace अयिंది. Methanamine lo nth position lo methyl group replace अयिंది. N-methyl methanamine. So N-methyl methanamine is a IUPAC name of this compound. Like N-alkyl alkanamine. Of course, here both are same strength. That's why there is no confusion. Suppose I will go for one more example. I go for one example. अच्छा देखो C2H5 NH C3H7. Two different chains. Always parent compound ऐसे select करो. Parent compound is nothing but longest continuous chain is a parent compound. Longest continuous chain is parent compound. Nothing but prop plus en plus amine. Propanamine. Propanamine. अच्छा, in propanamine, one of the iodine atom replaced by ethyl group. मतलब nth position में ethyl group is replaced. In propanamine, instead of hydrogen, this group is replaced. That's why nth में nitrogen में one ethyl group is replaced. N-ethyl propanamine, IUPAC name. N-ethyl propanamine. So second, IUPAC name of secondary amine is N-alkyl alkanamine. IUPAC name of secondary amines are N-alkyl alkanamines only. Very simple funda. Now I go for tertiary amines. Tertiary. You can go for one conclusion. Longest continuous chain you have selected. That is called alkanamine. Longest continuous chain is alkanamine. Remaining substituent is N-alkyl. So N-alkyl alkanamine is the IUPAC name of this compound. Chalo, now I go for tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. Tertiary amines के लिए, in case of tertiary amines, like R3N. अच्छा, ये N का N dialkyl alkanamine. अच्छा, previously what we discussed the same manner only. अच्छा, ये longest number of carbon atom in a chain is called alkanamine. Substituents are nothing but N comma N dialkyl. Similar is N comma N dialkyl. Different is you can write. We can go for different examples. अच्छा, एक example आपके लिए CH3 N CH3. अच्छा, CH एक example. अच्छा, दूसरा example है C2H5 N CH3 C3H7. अच्छा, N unte tertiary amines. Now here in first example आप देख लीजिए, in first example में longest chain is only one because all are symmetrical only. अच्छा, this is methanamine. One carbon amine is called methanamine. अच्छा, in methanamine nth position में instead of 2 hydrogen 2 alkyl groups are replaced. So that's why N comma N number repeated like 1 comma 1 2 comma 2. But amines में 1 2 positions are not mentioned, N position only mentioned only. N comma N dimethyl. Same as previous one what we discussed. Now here we have to select the longest continuous. Longest continuous is 3 carbon atom. Longest continuous is 3 carbon atom. This is 3 carbon atom. 3 carbon atom longest continuous. अच्छा, 3 carbon amine is propanamine. अच्छा, in propanamine one hydrogen replaced by ethyl, one is methyl. Both are not equal. Both are equal. We can mention N comma N dialkyl. Di is mentioned. Both are equal. Repeated means di, tri, etc. But these are not repeated because one is ethyl, one is methyl. According to IUPAC, according to alphabetical order, which will come first? Alphabetical order E will come. Ethyl will come first. Come to methyl. Ethyl, methyl. Alphabetical order ethyl will come first. So menastano N ethyl, N-methyl, propanamine. If both are similar, I can repeat dialkyl. If different groups, no need to repeat the di because different di. N-ethyl, N-methyl, propanamine only. So IUPAC name of primary, secondary, tertiary amines are different only. IUPAC name of primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary amines के लिए alkanamine है, secondary amines के लिए N-alkyl alkanamine है, tertiary amines के लिए N comma N dialkyl amine है. If in case of symmetrical, in case of unsymmetrical, अलग से लिखना पड़ेगा. You have to write separately. चलो. Now these are what I discussed. Same thing is written over here. Alk plus En plus amine alkanamine. Alk plus En plus amine alkanamine. So general name is alkanamine. Acha, what I discussed, the same thing is given. You can see that in this PPT. Longest continuous chain is alkanamine. Substituent is nothing but according to alphabetical order only how to give. Common name is ethylamine. IUPAC name is alkanamine. How many carbon alkanamine? 2 carbon alkanamine. 2 carbon alkanamine is ethanamine. अच्छा, general name is alkanamine. IUPAC name is alkanamine. आप याद करो, IUPAC name is alkanamine. अच्छा, one carbon alkanamine is methanamine, 2 carbon alkanamine ethanamine, 3 carbon propanamine, etc. Common name. अच्छा, common name is ethylamine. Common name is they never asked. अच्छा देखो, one more example, propylamine है, propane 1 amine. I discussed propane 2 amine because here NH2 group is second question में propane 2 amine. अच्छा, one question में one में no need to mention है. अच्छा, this I think we discussed this only. अच्छा, prop plus En plus 2 amine, propane 2 amine. So position also you have to mention only, right? So very simple nomenclature. Every chapter we are going to discuss nomenclature. Now this is secondary amine only. Okay, don't confuse H is put over here. This is secondary amine. How this appears like? This appears like how? This is a C2H5 NHCS. Parent compound this one only, na? Parent compound that one only. Ethanamine is the parent compound. Ethanamine nth position में methyl group है. N-methyl ethanamine is IUPAC name. Ethyl methyl amine. अच्छा देखो, N-methyl ethanamine. Longest chain is ethanamine. Ethanamine lo instead of hydrogen one methyl is replaced. N-methyl ethanamine is IUPAC name of the primary amines. चलो, this is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine क्या मैंने बताया? N-ion dialkyl alkanamine. So common IUPAC name is what we discussed. N-ion dialkyl alkanamine. If in case of symmetry, what we discussed this. In case of symmetry. So देखो, N-ion dimethyl methanamine. Parent compound, any one is a parent compound. है. इतना methanamine में nth position में 2 methyl groups है. N-ion dimethyl methanamine is the IUPAC name of this compound, right? Now this is also tertiary. Tertiary means you have to select the longest continuous chain. You have to select the longest continuous. This is longest continuous chain. Means butanamine. Butanamine lo okay antalo rendu kuda symmetry ikkada. N-ion diethyl. Symmetry means you can repeat N-ion diethyl. So देखो IUPAC name है N-ion diethyl butanamine. अच्छा, one position need not to mention only. If second, third position only, you have to mention 2 amine, 3 amine, 4 amine. But here no need to mention this one, right? देखो, allyl amine. This group is allyl group. Of course, it's primary amine only. Longest continuous chain, देखो 1, 2, 3. Longest continuous chain is propo. अच्छा, this is not En. This is one En. Because sorry, this is a 3 En. 1, 2, 3 En. And amine. 1 amine. Longest continuous chain, this is 3 En. And 3 carbon alkene. This is not alkane, alkene. Alkene kabatti En add chesaru. A position lo a position E add chesaru. First position lo amino group undi. So this IUPAC name on probe కాబట్టి probe ఈన్ రాయాలి. ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ రాస్తాం? ఈనో డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈన్ రాస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో అమైన్ కాబట్టి అమైన్ రాస్తాం. अच्छा guys, hexamethylene diamine. I think you remember hexamethylene diamine. Nylon 6,6 lo one of the monomer is hexamethylene diamine. I think you remember. In nylon 6,6 lo one of the monomer is nothing but hexamethylene diamine. Another one is adipic acid. Nylon 6,6 లో ఒక మోనోమర్ హెక్సామిథిలిన్ డైమిన్, రెండో మోనోమర్ అడిపిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటాం. IUPAC నేమ్ చూడండి. IUPAC నేమ్ చూడండి. ఎక్సా because you can expand any how many carbons are there? X plus En. अच्छा, where amino group is there? 1,6 का first position లో ఉంది, 6th position లో ఉంది. So 1,6 diamine. Simple funda, very simple funda. Any amines are given, you have to easy to write the IUPAC name of the compounds. अच्छा देखो, aromatic amines का IUPAC name. Aromatic amines, this is common name है. Aniline or benzamine. So note చేసుకోండి. Aniline or benzamine. Aniline or benzamine. నేను చెప్పుకున్న ఆర్థోటోలిడిన్ అంటాం, పారాటోలిడిన్, మెటాటోలిడిన్ అని చెప్పుకున్నా బేసిక్ నేచర్ లో కూడా. 2-amino-toluene అంటాం, 2-amino-toluene. Toluene is a parent compound and 2-amino-toluene. Here 2-amino-toluene. अच्छा, here 1 2 लिखो 2-amino-toluene. Here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 2-amino-toluene. अच्छा, numbering is given here. Bromine is given, देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 bromo from 4 bromo benzamine or 4 bromo aniline. 4 bromo aniline, 4 bromo benzamine. अच्छा देखो, this is, I think this is not visible for you, then I can write it. अच्छा n, अच्छा this is a methyl and methyl. This is a structure. This structure is nothing but here methyl group है, here also methyl group. So n comma n dimethyl benzene, n comma n dimethyl benzene, or n comma n dimethyl aniline, common name. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन इज गिवन हियर, आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा, NCERT इंटरेस्ट क्वेश्चंस ओनली these are. अच्छा, क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग एमिन्स एज प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टेरिशियरी. अच्छा, प्राइमरी एमिन అంటే NH2 ఉండాలి, సెకండరీ ఎమిన్ అంటే R2NH ఉండాలి, టెరిషియరీ అంటే R3N ఉండాలి. अच्छा, ఇక్కడ మీకు ఉంది RNH2 నే ఉంది ఫస్ట్ కాంపౌండ్ లో. సెకండ్ కాంపౌండ్ ఎలా ఉందంటే NR2. अच्छा, ఇది ఒక R డాష్, ఇది మొత్తం ఒక R డాష్ అనుకుంటే, ఇగోండి 2 Rలు ఉన్నాయి, ఒక R డాష్ ఉంది. अच्छा, R2 R1 అనుకోండి, అంటే R3 అనుకోండి, R1 R2 R2 అంటే ఈ టెరిషియరీ ఎమిన్, ఇది ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్. अच्छा, ఇది ఎలా ఉందో చూద్దాం, CH2H5 C2H5 NH2. अच्छा, NH2 ఉంటే ప్రైమరీనే, NH2 ఉంటే ప్రైమరీనే. अच्छा, this group is nothing but ఎలా ఉంది R2NH, this is second. अच्छा, easily you have to remember NH2 ఉంటే primary, R2NH ఉంటే secondary, NH2 ఉంటే primary, NR3 ఉంటే కనుక tertiary. Now you can see. अच्छा, first one is a primary because only NH2, RNH2. Second one tertiary because these two R group, this entire group is one R group, tertiary. And this is also primary because NH2 is their primary. NH2 unte primary, NH unte secondary. Very simple. Only N ganaka unte, only N ganaka miste meeku tertiary. NH2 unte primary, NH unte secondary. Any doubt? I think in isomerism also we discussed the same compound, C4H11N. C4H11. I think you remember how many isomers are possible for C4H11N. We discussed in isomerism in organic compound, general GOC में. There are 8 isomers are possible. अच्छा, C4H11N, there are 4 primary, 3 secondary, 1 tertiary. अच्छा देखो, these are the question है. 8 isomers of C4H11 are 8 isomers. Acha, I said na, what are 8 isomers means? What are 8 isomers are 4 primary amines, 3 secondary amines, acha 1 tertiary. Total 8. ఈ total 8 అనేది note करो, total 8 అనేది only structural isomer. In case of stereo, there are 9 isomers are possible. In case of structural isomerism, 8 isomers are possible. We can discuss all type of isomerism because we know how to write the IUPAC name. These are NCERT in-test questions only. Remember, these what given all NCERT in-test questions only. Chalo, these are already we discussed. Once again, I am going to discuss. Now this first one is written. This is a primary amine only. They count karo. Number of carbon atoms count karo. Count karo. 1. Count karo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Acha C4. Count karo hydrogens. H11. N. Is a primary amine. First one is primary amine. Acha primary amine butanamine. Butanamine IUPAC name but plus N plus amine. Butanamine. देखो बेटा, this is also primary amine only, but A and B are chain isomers ना. देखो A and B are chain isomers ना. A and B are chain isomers ना. ఎలా నా చూడండి chain isomers. A and B are chain isomers. First compound longest continuous chain 4 carbons. Second में longest continuous chain 3 carbons. Carbon skeleton में different है. Of course primary amine only. This is also primary amine, but A and B are chain isomers only. देखो this is also primary amine. Note करो these two. AB. There are, I said 4 primary amines are possible, including stereo 5 is possible. Including stereo 5 is possible. Right? Chalo, next. This is AB. Shall I? Next, one more primary amine. 4 primary amines are possible. 4 primary amines are possible. 4 primary amines are possible. देखो वन मोर है. अच्छा देखो ये वाला, अच्छा मतलब स्टीरियो आइसोमर आल्सो कंप्लीटेड है. देखो दिस कार्बन इज नथिंग बट सिमेट्रिक कार्बन है. एक हाइड्रोजन है, एक मिथाइल है, एक NH2 है, एक इथाइल ग्रुप है. सिमेट्रिक कार्बन है. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज आल्सो प्राइमरी, बट ఇక్కడ 2 isomers are possible. 4 + 5 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. 3 రాసామా, 3 2 రాసాము, 3 + 4 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు నేను. అచ్చా ఇంక్లూడింగ్ స్టీరియో అంటే యాడ్ చేయాలి, ఎక్స్క్లూడింగ్ స్టీరియో అంటే మీరు ఒకటే తీసుకోవాలి. బికాజ్ asymmetric carbon have 2 optical isomers, one D form and L form is possible because asymmetric carbon is there. Is also primary amine. Acha one more primary amine is also possible. देखो one more primary amine is possible. One more primary amine is possible. Wherever NH2 group is, that is a primary. Wherever NH2 group is, that is primary amine. Wherever NH2 group is, that is primary one. Now देखो ये secondary amine है. Generally secondary amines में metamerism है. Secondary amines में metamerism. Metamerism means both are having same molecular formula, same functional group, different arrangement of alkyl groups. ये देखो alkyl groups are ethyl and ethyl है. Then I can change methyl propyl also. I can change methyl propyl also. देखो methyl, I can change methyl propyl also. अच्छा, now I can change instead of propyl, I can go for isopropyl also. Propyl isopropyl is different. Instead of C3H7, I can write lake also. Then we get one more isomerism. देखो हम isopropyl this is isopropyl. Means metamerism was possible, functional isomers are possible, chain isomers are possible, position isomers are possible because NH2 group is position also will change it. NH2 first position में second we shifted all type of isomers are possible. अच्छा IUPAC name don't bother about isomerism, very simple thing. देखो tertiary amine है. 1 tertiary amine है. अच्छा 4 primary amines है, 3 secondary amines है and 1 tertiary amine है. No other chance for tertiary amine. एक methyl है, 2 methyl. Anywhere you have to change also the same the state only. So total number of isomers are 8 including stereo 9. Total number 8 including stereo 9. Already we discussed it previously this. अच्छा what type of isomerism exhibited by different pair of amines? अच्छा देखो they given आप sequence में 6 isomers are possible. A and B chain isomer, length of the carbon chain में different है. अच्छा A and D also chain isomerism, carbon chain में different है because iso, neo and normal is example for chain isomerism. Position NH2 group is changed in position isomers also. Functional isomers are function primary, secondary, tertiary amines are functional isomers only, same molecule form. All these are functional. अच्छा don't bother about these numbers है. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines are functional isomers only. Same molecular formula, different function. NH2 function, NH, N. 3 functional groups are. So don't bother about E, B, C, D, F. Don't be panic about these numbers only. So all are amines, primary, secondary, tertiary amines are always functional isomers only. Metamers. Metamers and Japan, secondary amines are metamers. Only secondary amines are metamers. We can discuss above example, secondary amines are metamers. Secondary amines are metamers. अच्छा N-methyl aminomethane. Aminomethane, can you write aminomethane like this? What is aminomethane? Aminomethane. This is the aminomethane. अच्छा aminomethane లో ఎంత పొజిషన్ లో ఏ గ్రూప్ రిప్లేస్ అయింది? మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ రిప్లేస్ అయింది. సో CH2 ఒక H ప్లస్ లో ఒక మిథైల్ రాయండి అయిపోయింది. N-methyl aminomethane. ఆ మిథైలమైన్ ఈ కామన్ నేమ్ aminomethane అంటాం బట్ IUPAC నేమ్ ఇస్ మిథైలమైన్. And this is a primary amino. Whenever NH2 is there, NH2 is there. Sorry. Okay, this is a instead of one hydrogen, we can replace one methyl group. This is nothing but secondary. Sorry, this is nothing but secondary. देखो ऑप्शन सी ना CH3 taken twice NH2. अच्छा don't be panic about this, easily by practice easily you will get it. अच्छा IUPAC name of this compound you can expand करो, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आपको, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप expand करो CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2 just you can expand it, very simple. Propanamine, pro plus N plus amine, propanamine. Which of the following is a primary amine? Achha, wherever NH2 is there, primary amine. NH is secondary, N is a tertiary. Wherever NH2 is a primary amine. Achha, primary amine, right? Achha, all our NCERT exercise questions are index questions only. Which of the following is a secondary amine? Achha, NH group. We can identify where NH group is there. Where NH group is there? अच्छा fourth option में NH group is there because N है NH2 NH2 is the primary, N is tertiary. Wherever NH is there is secondary amines. Now preparation of amines. अच्छा now remember that now I am going to explain the preparation method which are given only NCERT. I am not going beyond NCERT. Only NCERT. NCERT also, if mechanisms are given, I can explain mechanism. Otherwise, I go for according to NCERT because NEET examination they are asking only for NCERT questions. Don't think about others. अच्छा reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means NO2 reduction में. अच्छा reduction means acidic medium में reduction है generally. Hydrogen palladium गानी. Ethanol गानी. Of course here zinc and we can also use zinc and HCl गानी, tin and HCl गानी, either name change. अच्छा we get NADH. Preparation methods of amines. First method reduction. अच्छा, vice versa. Amines undergoes oxidation gives NO2. NO2 reduction gives amines. Nitrobenzene reduction gives amine. Amine oxidation gives nitrobenzene. Reduction oxidation is a reversible process. Nitro, this is called nitrobenzene. अच्छा देखो, वो that is also related. Nitrobenzene into aniline. Nitrobenzene into aniline. Preparation method. Acidic medium में reduction. This is nothing but acidic medium. You can write acidic medium. Zinc and HCl also. Acidic medium में we can also use zinc and HCl also. अच्छा, nitrobenzene convert into aniline. Nitrobenzene convert into aniline. Very simple funda. अच्छा, very important in NCERT in-test question also, exercise questions also, based on this, so many questions are asked. Ammonolysis is addition of ammonia to alkyl halides. So we get primary, secondary. Now in this process we get primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, even a quaternary ammonium salts also. All kind of amines are prepared by using this method. Ammonolysis of alkyl halides only. अच्छा देखो क्या है. अच्छा, first it react with alkyl halide. Primary amine is obtained. देखो, this is primary amine. RNS, this is first you can get primary amine. देखो, ये primary amine है. Substitute ammonium salt X. This is ultimate compound है. Step by step I can discuss. अच्छा, NH3 react with ethyl, suppose ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide. One HBr is removed. अच्छा, C2H5NH. ये primary amine होगा. अच्छा, react with one more molecule of ethyl iode bromide, excess of ethyl bromide. Then one more HBr is removed. ये हो गया secondary amine. अच्छा, यहाँ one more mole of ethyl bromide है. एक और HBr is removed है. We get tertiary amine है. चलो, add one more molecule of ethyl bromide है. अच्छा, like salt है, देखो like salt कैसा है. C2H5 taken 4 times N plus Br minus, quaternary ammonium salts also obtained. अच्छा, ultimately means reacts with ammonia, we get primary amine, we get secondary amine, we get tertiary amine, we get quaternary ammonium salts also. So on ammonolysis में, alkyl halides में, all kind of amines, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary amines are obtained. All kind of amines are possible there. Primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary amines. Primary, secondary, and tertiary, quaternary amines. All kind of amines are possible there. Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary ammonium salts are possible. Just replacement है. Instead of hydrogen, on ethyl group. Instead of hydrogen, on ethyl group. Instead of hydrogen, on ethyl group. Your replacement, there is no hydrogen. So directly you can add C2H5 taken 4 times N plus Br minus. Ammonium salts lava. Right. अच्छा, protonation है, because organic compounds में nitrogen oxide is a kind-hearted element, because which can donate a pair of electron very easily. अच्छा देखो, primary amine है, secondary amine है, tertiary amine है, and quaternary amine. We get all kind of 4 kind of amines only: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary ammonium salts. अच्छा, for them very difficult to separate. However, primary amine is obtained if major product by taking excess of ammonia. If excess of alkyl halide, then quaternary ammonium salts. Excess of ammonia, primary amine only. Note: if you want to prepare primary amine, then you can take excess of ammonia. If you take excess of alkyl, देखो alkyl halide एक 2, 3 and previously 1. 3 moles of alkyl halide quaternary ammonium sulfur form. But excess of ammonia you can use, we can get only primary amine, which is a major compound. Major compound. Like whenever interact with the sodium hydroxide, primary amines are formed. Separation is very easy for primary amine. Quaternary ammonium sulfate, how will get when the presence of strong base free amine is obtained? Because strong base abstract the proton only. Whenever you are using strong base, here this is strong base. It is strong base. Strong base abstract the proton only. यहाँ से proton को. So that means again due back to this one. यहाँ से proton abstract करेगा water molecule form करेगा. So whenever strong base is used, then we get primary amines only. Order of reactivity of halides, remember. In SN1 mechanism also same order, because reactivity order Ri is greater than Rbr greater than Rcl. Because bond length is more, easily cleavage will take place. Cleavage होना चाहिए. RAX bond का cleavage है. That is called amon analysis center. Ri bond is more bond length है, less stability है, easily cleavage will take place. अच्छा, reduction of nitrites है. Reduction of nitrites है. देखो reduction of nitrites में you remember this is called Mendes reduction. Of course we can also use lithium aluminum hydride also. Lithium aluminum hydride also. This is called Mendes reduction. Primary amine వస్తుంది. Same number of carbon. Primary amine వస్తుంది. Of course, suppose if you go for undergo cytolysis, water కనుక excess తీసుకుంటే we get carboxylic acid. Reduction చేస్తే amines వస్తుంది, acid వస్తుంది. హైడ్రాల్ చేస్తే రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే బేస్ వస్తుంది, హైడ్రాల్ చేస్తే యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది, కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్. అంటే ఐసోసైనైడ్ రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే కనుక సెకండరీ అమీన్, ఇది ప్రైమరీ అమీన్ ఉంది. ప్రైమరీ అమీన్ ఉంది. సెకండరీ అమీన్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు మనం ఇలా. యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో రైట్ సెకండరీ అమీన్. I can also write secondary amine. अच्छा, secondary amine है like R and C. Reduction है. अच्छा, sorry. Reduction है. अच्छा, I get R NHE CH3. अच्छा, secondary amine हुए. अच्छा, this isocyanide है. Cyanide है तो नेमो primary amine, isocyanide है secondary. Differentiate చూసుకోవాలి. Cyanide है primary amine, isocyanide है secondary amine. अच्छा, amines on reduction gives primary. अच्छा, ये क्या है? एक डिफरेंस है आपके लिए. प्रीवियस क्लास आस्क्ड सेम amines कనుక Br2NaOH అంటే Hoffman degradation reaction అంటాం మనం. 1 కార్బన్ లెస్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్స్ సేమ్ అండి. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని కార్బన్స్, సపోజ్ n కార్బన్స్ ఉంటే n కార్బన్స్ ఏ వస్తుంది మనకి amines. బట్ ఇక్కడ RNH2 ప్రైమరీ అమీన్ వస్తుంది. अच्छा, number of carbons n-1 ఉండాలి. Degradation process anta, Hoffman degradation process. The comparison also important. With lithium aluminum hydride gives primary amine having same number of carbons, but Hoffman bromide degradation reaction lo also gives primary amine 1 carbon less only. अच्छा, amines to amine conversion. Conversion of amines into amines you can note. Conversion of amines into amines note karo. Conversion of amines into amines. Comparison is very easy for you. अच्छा, this also we discussed, I think Gabriel Thalame synthesis example for SN2 mechanism lo discuss chesam man. Only preparation of primary aliphatic amines, not aromatic amines. Only primary aliphatic amines, not aromatic amines. Ikkada only primary amines anna, these primary amines are aliphatic amines. Primary, only primary amines, nothing but aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. Separately also we discuss this mechanism. In case of SN2 mechanism also we discuss. Achha, what is the base? This is base na. What is the base? Base always abstract the proton. Abstract the proton from here. Proton accept abstract करेगा in the form of water बाहर जाएंगे. Now next step में क्या है? Demol of water. अच्छा देखो ये वाला. Now you can add RX, not ARX. Now you can add RX. अच्छा don't add ARX because we discussed है formation of this carbocation is unstable అని చెప్పు. Formation of this carbocation is unstable కాబట్టి neither SN1 nor SN2 అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. అందుకే మనకి एलिफैटिक प्राइमरी एमिन्स మాత్రమే ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాం, एरोमेटिक प्राइमरी एमिन्स प्रिपेयर చేయలేము. अच्छा देखो क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा, RX स्विच है, RX स्विच है. अच्छा ये बेटर लिविंग ग्रुप है. ऑलरेडी मैं SN1 में कहा చెప్పుకున్నాం लिविंग ग्रुप है, बेटर लिविंग ग्रुप है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन है. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट दिस एंटायर ग्रुप इज रिप्लेस्ड. दिस बेस है, दिस न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, दिस इज आल्सो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. बाहर जाएंगे न्यूक्लियोफाइल, वहां रिप्लेस करेगा, सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन है. देखो इंस्टेड ऑफ X ये आया, ये ग्रुप आया, सब्स्टिट्यूशन है. रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ एन एटम और ए ग्रुप बाय अनदर एटम और ए ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. SN2 mechanism we discussed it. यहां से हाइड्रोस करा, then you can get primary amino. We can get primary amino, primary aliphatic amino, primary aliphatic amines. अच्छा एरोमेटिक ER लिया, फिनाइल लिया, वेरी डिफिकल्ट है बिकॉज ये रिप्लेस नहीं होगा. इयर X माइनस బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతే కార్బోకేటైన్ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి. కార్బోకేటైన్ ఫామ్ అయితే దిస్ కార్బోకేటైన్ ఇస్ అన్స్టేబుల్ కాబట్టి. So this method is only useful for preparation of only aliphatic amines but not aromatic amines. This already we discussed separately, also we discussed in our class. So once again this given in NCERT textbook as it is I am discussing. देखो Gabriel-Thalin synthesis exclusively for primary amines only. Why? Only primary amines. Why? देखो अच्छा reason, this is actually this is procedure. We did mechanism, na same mechanism is given here. अच्छा KOH अंटा, KOH తర్వాత పొటాషియం సాల్ట్స్ వస్తాయి, then heating with alkali halide followed by hydrolysis gives this one అంట. మరి ఎందుకు మరి సెకండరీ aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel-Thalin synthesis. Why? Because phenyl carbocation formed is unstable. Replacement very difficult. देखो suppose నేను ఇక్కడ C6H5X తీసుకున్నాను, no reaction. ఎందుకని ఇక్కడ కార్బోకేటైన్ is unstable. ఇక్కడ కార్బోకేటైన్ formed is unstable. కాబట్టి ఉండదు. కాబట్టి మనం RX తీసుకోవచ్చు. RX తీసుకుంటే R carbocation X is X minus is possible here, but this is not possible, no reaction, right? Chalo. The same mechanism the given is because the reason is given here. The reason is given. देखो CX bond is alloharine is difficult to cleavage due to partial double bond character of like miss here. Why partial double bond character means ये वाला. Suppose ये है, अच्छा X है, लोन पेयर है, मतलब कार्बन की हालत में partial double bond కాబట్టి cleavage difficult. Carbocation form అవడం కష్టం, cleavage very difficult అన్నారు. So aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by using this method. Aromatic primary amines cannot be used by using this method only. A very simple, very simple funda. Because detailed explanation is given in NCERT textbook, so that's why there is expected question in NEET examination on. So Gabriel-Thalin synthesis preparation of what? Only primary aliphatic amines, not aromatic amines. The reason is this is the reason, right? अच्छा we said ना Hofmann-Bromine degradation reaction. अच्छा Hofmann-Bromine degradation reaction 1 carbon less है. देखो 1 carbon less है. Previously in JEE examination, number of moles of NaOH is given because in NCERT textbook mechanism is not mentioned. Mechanism is not given. Mechanism is not given. अच्छा, amines converted into amines. Amines converted into amines. Amines one carbon less. One carbon less. अच्छा, for your kind of information, Hoffman bromide degradation reaction lo intermediate compounds are nitrates. Intermediate compounds are nothing but nitrates. Intermediate compounds are nitrates. अच्छा, आप देखो, this is simple है mechanism. Mechanism is not given, but simple है. RCONH2. देखो, मैंने taken in defines of base. अच्छा, बेस का फंक्शन क्या है? which can absorb the proton. यहां से प्रोटॉन को निकलेंगे, बाहर जाएंगे, यहां से प्रोटॉन बाहर जाएंगे in the form of water. So R C double bond वो NH minus. Am I right? Now यहां से Br ले रहा, one molecule of Br only, you can see this. But NH minus नेगेटिव चार्ज में Br प्लस है, Br माइनस बाहर जाएंगे. अच्छा देखो, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ NaBr बाहर जाएंगे, Br माइनस बाहर जाएंगे. आई कैन रिमूव Br माइनस है, Br प्लस ऐड करेगा वो. यार RC डबल बॉन्ड को NHBr. अच्छा, in this equation, वो equation you can see how many moles of Br minus is removed? 2 moles. Here we removed only one Br. Now we can remove one more Br. We can remove one more Br. देखो, one more Br I can remove. Br minus I can remove. Br minus I can remove. One more Br minus I can remove. And this is what charge is there? ये लोन पे रखा positive charge. So this is migrating over here. Br minus बाहर जाएंगे. Sorry, I can go for one more step. I can go for one more step. देखो, R C डबल बॉन्ड वो NHBr. चलो, एक और एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन इज देयर because here I used 4 moles of NaOH. एक और NaOH is there because one more acidic hydrogens are there. We remove hydrogen over here, then I can get R C double bond O N minus Br. है ना? H plus को eliminate किया. H plus means electron given to nitrogen. Now again remove of Br minus. यहाँ से Br minus को eliminate कर रहा है. यहां से Br माइनस को एलिमिनेट करना है. ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा, मतलब ये उल्फ्री एलिमेंट అంటారు. R पॉजिटिव चार्ज వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మైగ్రేట్ అయింది. Rn డబుల్ బాండ్ C డబుల్ బాండ్ ఐసోసైనేట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఐసోసైనేట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ నైట్రీన్స్ అంటే ఇదే కదా, Rn కదా. దిస్ ఇస్ నైట్రీన్. చూడండి, నైట్రీన్ Rn Rn ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, నైట్రీన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. నైట్రీన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఈక్వల్ మెకానిజం ఫాలోడ్ బై హైడ్రోలిసిస్ వి గెట్ RnH2 plus CO2. देखो, CO2 in the form of NaOH ఉంది కదా, ఇంకో NaOH తో Na2CO3 ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో మెకానిజం ప్రీవియస్ గా JEE లో కూడా అడిగారు, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ NaOH ఎన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తారు. లైక్ Br2 ఒకటే యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం, లేక 2 NaBr రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ కండిషన్ యూ రిమెంబర్, కన్వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ amide into amine is called Hoffman degradation reaction, one carbon less. Now intermediate compounds are common and active. That's it. Mechanism not given in NCERT book. I think better to leave. If you want, you can continue the mechanism. Otherwise, at least you have to remember the equation. Amines converted into amines because in NCERT mechanism not given. अच्छा देखो, these are conversions are which are given in NCERT textbook. How will you convert benzene to aniline? Benzene నుంచి aniline రావాలి అంటే benzene into nitrobenzene first, nitrobenzene to aniline. Benzene to nitrobenzene, nitrobenzene to aniline. Benzene nitration చేస్తే nitrobenzene, nitrobenzene reduction చేస్తే aniline. That is two-step mechanism taken. And these are given in NCERT textbook. How to convert this one by one we are going to discuss. This conversion. First conversion देखो. अच्छा benzene nitration చేస్తా నేను. Benzene nitration. अच्छा for your kind information, this nitration electrophile is कौन? NO2 plus है. In this electrophile is कौन है? Electrophile nothing but NO2 plus है. Example for क्या? Yes, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. We discuss separately this. Now reduction है. Acidic medium में or hydrogen palladium in acidic medium, zinc and HCl, tin and HCl. So finally we get this. What is given NCERT? The conversion, first conversion, this conversion, right? This conversion. अच्छा देखो second conversion है. Benzene to N-N dimethylamine. First benzene to aniline prepare करो. अच्छा aniline ని alkylation చేస్తే మనకి ammonolysis అంటాం మనం. Alkylation చేస్తే we get the same compound. देख लीजिए. Again same फंडा. Previous aniline. ना మనకి aniline కావాలి. अच्छा ఇక్కడ aniline కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. We get aniline. First how will we get aniline? Again reduction है. अच्छा यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन प्लेस लो, రెండు हाइड्रोजन प्लेस लो मिथाइल ग्रुप राవాలి. Add methyl iodide, 2 molecules of methyl iodide, 2 moles of HI is removed. We get this compound. 2 moles of methyl iodide, methyl chloride, what all may be. Just like ammonolysis we discussed, na? First 1 mole of HCl, again 1 mole of methyl chloride, 1 mole of HCl. Instead of 2 hydrogen, 2 methyl groups. Instead of 2 hydrogen, because N, 2 methyl groups are there. Instead of 2 hydrogen, 2 methyl groups should be there. So add 2 moles. If suppose 3 moles are not possible because 2 hydrogens are only there here. Right? This conversion. Chalo. अच्छा KCl तो reaction అంటే 2 moles of KCl బయటికి పోతాయి చూడండి. 2 moles of KCl బయటికి పోతాయి. CN ని మనకి amine రావాలి అంటే కండిషన్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. RCN కనుక ఉంటే రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే లిథియం అల్యూమినియం హైడ్రైడ్ గా మెండిస్ రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్ కౌంట్ ఇంటూ సైనైడ్ కౌంట్ ఇంటూ ప్రైమరీ ఎమిన్ అని, ఐసోసైనైడ్ ఇస్ సెకండరీ ఎమిన్ అని. అచ్చా డైఎమిన్ అంటే 2 CN రావాలి మనకి. 2 CN రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ CN వస్తుంది. రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే 2 దగ్గర NH2 వస్తుంది. వెరీ సింపుల్ ఫండ కన్వర్షన్. వెరీ సింపుల్ ఫండ. బోత్ CN ని రిడక్షన్ చేస్తే CN ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రావాలి? NH2 వస్తుంది. రెండో CN ప్లేస్ లో NH2 వస్తుంది. NH2 exam comes. Achha, what are given NCERT textbook? All conversion I am going to discuss in organic chemistry. This is more than enough. Achha, what are given preparation method NCERT? That only I discussed. So many preparation methods are there, but don't touch the remaining preparation method. Only what are given NCERT textbook. अच्छा व्हाट इज द कंपाउंड बी? दिस रिडक्शन ओनली ना. रिडक्शन कंपाउंड में क्या है? एनिलीन है. क्या होता है? एनिलीन होता है. रिडक्शन में एनिलीन है एसिडिक मीडियम में. अच्छा देखो, अच्छा एनहाइड्राइड ZnCl2 is a dehydrating agent. This is a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent मतलब रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. अच्छा यहां से एक हाइड्रोजन है, यहां से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, यहां से OH है. अच्छा वी गेट क्या? एनिलीन है. एनिलीन बिकॉज़ dehydrating agent है. ZnCl2, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, P4O10, all these are examples for dehydrating agent, removal of water molecule. X may be aniline. अच्छा nitrobenzene reduction gives tin and HCl gives A అంట అంటే ఎనిలిన్ కదా ఎనిలిన్ కదా अच्छा देखो ये सिंपल फंडा अच्छा ये एनिलिन మీకు తెలిసిందే ఎసైలేషన్ చేయండి బెంజోలేషన్ చేయండి ఏదైనా చేయండి ఎసైలేషన్ చేయండి బెంజోలేషన్ చేయండి ఏదైనా చేయండి ఎన్హైడ్రస్ అల్యూమినియం క్లోరైడ్ కానీ ఏదైనా సరే సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ కానీ अच्छा రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ HCl లేనా ఎసైలేషన్ అంటే రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ HCl లేనా రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ HCl అంటే ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఎసిటానిలైట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది अच्छा we can discuss in properties don't worry this is called acetonylate and acetonylate next class में we can discuss properties of aniline में completely we will discuss these are properties not preparation methods but unfortunately in preparation methods are given this case what is compound because NCERT में exercise we extracted by mistake here double thalamisins is used by preparation of only primary that too aliphatic amines not aromatic